Next to chemical oxygen demand, important chemical oxygen demand, that is COD. So chemical oxygen demand mean this is also the amount of oxygen, the amount of oxygen required to oxidize. This is in grams. Always oxygen is in grams. Grams required to oxidize organic substances. Organic substance present in 10 power 6 grams of water. That means in 10 power 6 grams of water, how much organic substance is present? To oxidize that organic substance, the amount of oxygen in grams required is called chemical oxygen demand. So COD. COD increases mean more consumption for oxidation. So COD is directly proportional to pollution. Like BOD and COD both are directly related to the pollution. So here or you can take BOD also. BOD also directly proportional to pollution. So here generally to oxidize this can be measured, the COD values can be measured by using potassium dichromate. So COD values measured by acidified, that means 50% sulfuric acid contain H2SO4 contain potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 oxidant. By using potassium dichromate oxidant, COD values can be calculated. So the COD values can be measured by the potassium dichromate. This is a good oxidant. Here note this point. Here 1 gram equivalent of each oxidant can be, here note this point, 1 gram equivalent of each oxidant can give 8 grams of oxygen. 8 gram equivalents of oxygen. 8 gram equivalents of oxygen. So 1 gram equivalent of each substance gives 8 gram equivalents of oxygen. So 1 gram equivalent of each oxidant can give 8 grams, that is equal to 1 equivalent. So 8 grams of oxygen, that means 1 equivalent. 8 grams equal to 1 equivalent. So if you see equivalent weight of oxygen equal to that molecular weight by valency. See, for O2 molecular weight 32 and valency for each oxygen 2, then for 2 oxygens 4, so 8. So equivalent weight of oxygen is 8. So 8 grams mean 1 equivalent weight. So for 1 gram of every substance of oxidant can give you 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. So if you take for K2Cr2O7, that equivalent weight equal to its molecular weight. Its molecular weight by valency mean here the number of electrons gained. This is oxidant. Number of electrons gained. So the equivalent weight of the potassium dichromate oxidant, that is molecular weight is 294 and number of electrons gained is 6 electrons gained generally in every reaction. Potassium dichromate oxidation state sulfuric acid medium, H2SO4 medium, 50% H2SO4, it can be act as oxidant and gain 6 electrons. So 49 is the equivalent weight of potassium dichromate. So for KMnO4 it is varies with the medium. So in this case, so in the chemical oxygen demand, we will take potassium dichromate here as an oxidant to calculate the COD values. Now we will discuss a problem based on this concept. So the question is 100 ml of a sample of water requires 1.96 milligrams of potassium dichromate in 50% sulfuric acid for oxidation of dissolved organic matter in it. Then calculate chemical oxygen demand. Chemical oxygen demand, COD. So here note solution. 1 gram equivalent of oxidant, that means K2Cr2O7 gives how much? 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. So 1 gram equivalent of potassium dichromate gives 1 gram equivalent of oxygen. So 1 gram equivalent of potassium dichromate is that we discussed, that is 49 grams. 49 grams of potassium dichromate gives how much? 8 grams of oxygen. Grams of oxygen gives. Now they have given 1.96 milligrams of potassium dichromate in 100 ml sample. So 1.96 milligrams mean 1.96 milligrams, that is converted into 1.96 into 10 power minus 3 grams can be gives how much oxygen in grams you calculate first. So the weight of oxygen, this is the weight, that is X, you assume. So weight of oxygen in grams, oxygen in grams, that is X equal to, so cross multiplication 1.96 into 10 power minus 3, 1.96 into 10 power minus 3 into 8 by 49, 8 by 49. Now so this value you will get grams. So you should convert it into milligrams. So to convert to milligrams, just multiply with 10 power minus 10 power 3. So therefore this value, if you simplify, you will get simplify and convert into milligrams, that is 0.32 milligrams you will get. 0.32 milligrams, convert into milligrams, 0.32 milligrams. Now these 0.32 milligrams are present in 100 ml. So 0.32 milligrams present in 100 ml. But COD mean always present in 1000 ml. In 1 liter water, how much milligrams of oxygen you have to calculate COD mean. So that's why 0.32 milligrams for 100 ml. Then for 1000 ml you write reverse manner. So in 100 ml there are 0.32 milligrams. Then for 1000 ml equal to how much? So how much oxygen is present? So therefore this is Y. So Y is nothing but Y equal to the oxygen COD, chemical oxygen demand, that is COD, that is equal to 0.32 into 1000 by 100, that is equal to 3.2 milligrams. This is only ppm. Milligrams equal to ppm, we can take into milligram, that is 3.2 ppm, that is the COD value.